Why is nobody talking about this credit union that literally puts free cash in your pocket every single year? So in today's class, we're gonna be covering number one, how to get access to this bank. Number two, how to get free money every year. Number three products you might like. Number four, which credit bureau they pull from. So sit back, relax, grab a pen, get some paper, get something to drink. We're gonna get straight into it. So to get access to Tyndall Credit Union, there are four main ways to do this. One of the ways to become a member is gonna be based off of your zip code. Now, you either gotta be working there, living there, going to school, or volunteering in the panhandle of Florida or Southern Alabama. Now, I understand everybody doesn't live in Southern Alabama or in the panhandle of Florida. So another way to actually qualify to become a member is gonna be based off of your employer, where you work at, or the organization you work for as well. Now, as you can see right here, there's a list so you can check. Now, if you don't see your name or your job name on the specific list, you can also give them a call and double check to see if your employer is actually on the specific list so you can get in as well. Now, another way to qualify to become a member is gonna be based off of relationship. So if you have an immediate relative that lives in a specific area that we just talked about, now you can qualify to become a member as well. Now, another way to become a member is gonna be based off of military or government affiliation, all right? So you either have to be stationed at Tyndall Air Force Base or working at Tyndall Air Force Base. So if you're a civilian or government contractor, you also qualify to actually become a member as well. Now, after you become a member, here are a few products I think you're gonna enjoy. So if you're interested in buying a house, yes, they have multiple home loan options, but one of the best ones they do have is 100% financing. Yes, 100% financing. So you don't have to put no money down, all right? Hold up, now I forgot to say that, hey, you do have to put down an earnest deposit, roughly $250, $500, $1,000, all right? Now, that is better than putting down $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 when you don't have the money. Now, if you have the money, hey, put it down. But if you don't have the money, 100% financing. Now, if you're interested in getting a car here shortly, right? 3 months, 6 months, a year from now, all depending on what you got going on, you might want to check out their auto loans. You might want a Mustang, Charger, Camaro, or you might want something Prestige, Mercedes, BMW with the red seats. I know, hey, all depends on what you like. But you want to check out their auto loans because compared to the Nationals average, hey, their interest rate is really, really low, right? So check it out. Eventually, it's gonna put more money back in your pocket and save you money. So now you're probably thinking, who do they check? Which credit bureau they pull from? What your credit profile needs to look like, credit score and everything and all that above. Don't worry, I got you, all right? So most likely they're gonna check your Equifax credit score, all right? So your profile needs to be on point, all right? So make sure, no collections, no missed payments, no hard inquiries, right? In the last 6 months, you don't want to be out here looking thirsty for credit. So make sure you don't have no hard pulls. And if you do have hard pulls, I'll have videos for you to remove them hard inquiries off your credit report because some of them probably don't even have no permissible purpose to be on there, right? So I'll show you how to fix up your credit. Well, I have multiple videos showing you how to fix up your credit profile. But most importantly, you want to have a strong credit profile. You don't have to have it too strong where it got to be like prestige, all right? But most importantly, you want to have no collections, right? No charge off, no repossession, 100% payment history. Credit profile needs to be on point, and then you want to apply for these things, all right? How can you get this free money every single year? Now, to be honest, my wife discovered this. She did everything, and then she told me about it. Now I'm basically gonna break it down to you, all right? So if you're a member with Tyndall Credit Union, all right, they give money away at the end, or you want to be checking your emails and checking, they'll probably tell you. So if you're a member, this year they're giving up to $700, all right? You got to do some specific things, all right? Let me just break down some of the things you have to do. Now, there are 6 ways to actually qualify for $700, all right? Number 1, bill pay, $10 per bill payment up to $200. Number 2, direct deposits, $50 for 2 or more direct, mobile, or ATM deposits. Number 3, debit or credit card, 2% cash back up to $300, right? Number 4, online banking, 50 for logging in 12 times. E-statements, all right? $50 for having or enrolling in e-statements. Hey, this is easy money, as you can see. And then number 6, loans, $50 for having or opening a loan. And as you can see, that's easy money, all right? And I got like $200, as you can see, for just doing some of the things that are required to get this money. And you can do the same thing as well. Hold up, before you go, if your credit score isn't where it needs to be, you might have some collections, you might have some charge-off, you might have some late payments, you might have things going on. It's okay, life happened, but I wanna help you knock the credit bureaus out. And the best way to knock them out is by grabbing my free secret letter. The reason why is because it makes the credit bureaus do an investigation. And by them doing a reinvestigation, they're gonna break some law. And what that does is put you in the position to knock them out. So go grab my free secret letter, go to freesecretletter.com and go get it and go send off your first letter.